Yo, y'all. Yeah, big face on the screen. I gotta use the face camera. Keep this short and sweet. We got General Tso Chicken for y'all. I'm at work. But y'all about to watch some TV. Come on, getting straight into it. About to show you how I do it. Come on. Okay, everybody. For our General Tso Chicken, I know they traditionally use thigh meat, but we're going to use breast meat. We doing an all white meat, General Tso's, General Tso's, however you want to say it, y'all. We about to get these Jones on out of here. Gotta open. I need 2 for me, 2 for babe, and 2 for the son. Or maybe not. Let's take some of that now. We don't need that much chicken, do we? For 3 platters, y'all, we only need 3. We only need 4. Look, y'all. We're gonna get to cleaning this chicken off real quick. We're gonna take them out these packs. Let me get a light. Let me get a sub. We making some General Tso's today. Let's go. Okay, y'all. Before we chop our chicken up, we're gonna take us a bowl, right? We're gonna grab our oyster sauce. Let me say it right. We're gonna grab our oyster sauce, right? Put like 1/4 to 1/2 cup in there. There. Grab a little dab of soy sauce. Salty sweet. 1/4 cup of chicken broth. Good shake. Nice cup of water. Got my mics on the way, y'all. We're gonna be sounding real good real soon. We ain't gonna use the whole cup. Use about 1/2 cup of water. About 1/2 cup. And grab the whisk. Gonna whisk him up. It's gonna be a little marinade for our chicken. We're gonna let our chicken sit in there. Hour, 2, 3 if you want. But we're gonna let our chicken sit. We gonna make sure our chicken is juicy and flavorful. Alright, sit this to the side. Slide that to the side. And get this measuring cup up out the way. We're gonna take our chicken breast. You just cleaned off. Still wet. Don't even need to dry them because they're going in the marinade. Slice the things into nice cubes. Like I said, I know they usually use chicken thigh, but we're gonna use some chicken breast. It's all good. I don't think it really matters. Slap the thing down. I actually think the chicken breast, it has to be better, because not every Chinese or Asian or restaurant or store or whatever, we from a certain place, so we call it Chinese store, the Chinks. We call it the Chinks, but look, we don't mean to be disrespectful. That's what we say. We busting it up. But look, you go get some General Tso chicken from there. You get some chicken from the Chinese store. The General Tso's on that joint. Man, the bread be getting all mushy and soft all fast. All kind of stuff, man. For real. I want to see if it's like that at home. Let's see. Hold on. Get out of here. Boom, out. Boom. You go to the Chinese store, they're going to give you chicken thigh. You feel me? They're not going to give you the chicken breast. Alright, grab our bowl. Take our bowl. Take nice chicken breast. Sit it right in there. We're going to saran wrap that bowl. We're going to let them things absorb that flavor. On to the next stage, y'all. Let's get to it. Alright, it's been a couple hours, y'all. Been like 2 hours. I'm gonna strain these joints off. Good strain. We're gonna throw our cornstarch flour. Drop some eggs on them. See how it's puddling? Get that out. Want the puddle. At least I don't. Some chefs might. Alright. Boom. There we go. Grab 2 eggs out the refrigerator. I'll be right back. Alright, now we already got that joint pretty much marinated, right? I'm going to throw some. You don't have to do this at this stage. All you have to do is put your flour and cornstarch mixture. You throw your eggs on there and you put your flour and cornstarch mixture. Y'all don't have to get extra. I'm getting extra. I'm Mr. Extra. We're going to throw our ground ginger on there. Not too much, you know that ginger strong. Alright. Going in another stage too. Garlic powder. Alright. Now, we'll crack 2 eggs. Smelling sweet. That thing smelling sweet. We're gonna give it a good mix. We're gonna give it a good mix. Smack them yolks down. Alright, let's set this aside real quick so we can get our flour and our cornstarch together real quick. Alright, y'all, you don't need too much batter, so let me go about a cup of cornstarch. This is a half a cup I got in my hand. I broke my 1 cup measuring cup. I gotta get another one. I only got the glass one. So that's 1 cup of cornstarch. And we're gonna go 2 cups of flour. Then I'm gonna save the rest. Mix it up. And I'm gonna throw some in. 1. That's 1 cup. 1. 2 cups. Alright. Wow, let me move this out of the way real quick. Throw me some ground ginger in this too. A little bit. Not too much because the clump won't come out of there. Yep, just like that. For fragrance, garlic powder. Y'all know that thing be bland. That General Tso's be. You don't want that breading to be bland. For real. Cornstarch get up on you. Got a couple shakes of kosher salt. Yes, sir. I'm gonna get a good mix on her. Good mix on her. Oh my goodness, it's smelling good in here. It smells so good in here. Can I get a like and subscribe, y'all? No, not a like and subscribe. Just like and comment. How about that? Hit the comments. Hit the comments again. All right, y'all. Now, we got our flour cornstarch mixture. We want to soak this egg batter up. We want to soak it up. We're going to put half in. Give it a stir. Make sure you get that flour and cornstarch mixture between all of your pieces. You see how they come up dry? You're gonna drop a little bit more on there. It's gonna tell you. Once you take all of them apart and keep rolling them, it's gonna tell you when they're ready, because they're gonna either still be wet, or it's gonna look like breaded chicken. Do it look like breaded chicken yet, y'all? I think it's still wet. Oh no, it's because I'm still mixing. Because it's supposed to be wet now. Oh, let me go again. And this is why you can't use too much cornstarch, because it'll fry and it'll be white. Hand time. Perfect timing. Look. See how they bread it now? Or they floured. I'm saying they bread it, but smell like ginger. All right, y'all. We're gonna get our wok scorching hot. You hear me? I mean scorching hot. Scorching hot. All right. All right, y'all. I don't want the camera to start melting. So look, we're gonna drop some sesame. Nice amount, because we got a nice amount of rice. All right. Sesame. We don't have carrots. We don't have peas. We got some onion. All right, boom. I'm doing a little bit. We'll drop about four teaspoons of garlic. Situate my body, you know. Try to keep your wok as hot as you can. Hot. Keep stuff moving there. Don't be scared to cook. Let everything cook. Alright. Let everything cook down like another 30-45 seconds. There you go. So it's cooked enough. Got that wok hot. That wok popping. Look. You know where we going with next, right? R-I-C-E. Nice cold. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. That thing hot. 3 minutes. All right. That thing hot. Don't be scared. Oh, it's going to stick, y'all. It's sticking. There we go. Sesame. Sesame oil. A little bit more. You can use any oil you want. A dab of rice vinegar. We're going soy sauce. I got about 2 cups of rice, so I'm a little bit more sesame oil. Oh, show my finger. Black pepper. Oyster sauce. Fire down to medium, right? We need a little bit more sesame, a little more sesame oil. All right. Drop that. We drop this. Make it well. Drop your egg. Garlic powder. soy sauce. One more oyster. Swiggle wiggle. Swiggle wiggle. That's it. I want that egg cooked, dog. Cook my egg. Push that rice back. You see me push that rice back? Seems like something burning. That's all that egg down there. I'm gonna let it do that. That's what we want. Yeah. Fire back up high. Let me get a light. What's up to the channel, y'all? Shit, we still in low income house, man. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Y'all. I should have had some peas and some carrot. Do it in there. But that joint great. I'm gonna throw it in the bowl. I'm gonna fry the chicken up. I'm gonna have to use my phone for the other half of the recording because the camera battery be dying. All right, y'all. Let's make some sauce. Let's make some General Tso sauce. Now, I'll make a nice amount. There's a quarter cup of brown sugar. You don't need that much. You don't need that much. Our ground ginger. Some garlic powder. Rice wine vinegar. Oyster sauce. About a quarter cup. Got that hoisin. Same thing, about a quarter cup. Soy sauce. Sesame oil. You want to dab of chicken broth from the start. You can use the powdered chicken broth too. And then, because you're gonna be thickening it with the cornstarch and water. So second up. Oh yeah, one more sack. All right, we're gonna drop it right after this. Here we go. Boom. Drop slow. Keep it still. Keep it still a good 30 to a minute. You don't want to shake none of that breading off. Let it stick together, whatever you want to do. Then you're gonna shake it, boom, and it's gonna break them apart.